In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GeForce Now to Discord. We will walk through each step slowly so you can follow along without guessing or hunting through random menus. First, open the GeForce Now app on your Windows PC or Mac. If it is pinned to your taskbar or dock, go ahead and click it there. Once it opens, you should see the usual GeForce Now home screen, with featured games and your library in the main area. Wait until everything finishes loading so the menus respond smoothly. Now sign in to your NVIDIA or GeForce Now account. Look for the Sign In button near the top of the window. Then enter your account email and password. After you sign in, the top right corner should change to show your account name or avatar. That confirms the app is linked to your NVIDIA account and ready for the next steps. Next, go to the menu icon at the top left. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click that, then choose Settings, and then Connections from the list that appears. The Connections section is where GeForce Now keeps options that interact with other apps and services. When you are in the right place, you will see a list of different connection-related settings in the main panel. From there, scroll down and look for the Discord Rich Presence option. Take your time scrolling, since this list can be longer than one screen. The Discord Rich Presence entry will usually have a short description under it about showing your game as your Discord status. Once you see that text, you know you have found the correct setting and you do not need to scroll further. Turn Discord Rich Presence on. This is usually a small switch next to the text. Click it once so it changes from off to on. The switch often shifts color or moves position when it is enabled. The moment you turn it on, GeForce Now is allowed to send your current game information to Discord while you play, and no extra save button is needed. With that ready, open Discord and sign into your account. If Discord is already running, bring it to the front and confirm you are logged into the correct profile. You should see your username at the bottom left of the Discord window. That is the account that will display your GeForce Now game status. Now start a game through GeForce Now. Pick any title from your library or the home screen, then click to launch it as you normally would. Wait until the game is fully running, not just on a loading launcher screen, so GeForce Now can detect it properly. After that, your Discord profile should show the game you are currently playing. Look at the bottom left of Discord or your profile card, and you should see the game name under your username while it is running through GeForce Now. NVIDIA notes that you can change the Discord Rich Presence setting from the GeForce Now settings menu. So now you have connected GeForce Now to Discord, and your games can show up automatically in your Discord status. If this helped you get your game showing in Discord, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it. And feel free to subscribe for more simple GeForce Now tips.